Hello everyone, good afternoon. So we are suffering the calamities by Typhoon Uwan by landfall in this northern Luzon and central Luzon. So Typhoon Uwan was landfall by Aurora, Isabela, and La Union. So let's pray from these calamities from this one by Luzon. And also have a last week from this one by suffering by calamities by Typhoon Tino. So last November 4 by last week by landfall by Boron, Cebu by northern Cebu in the central Visayas. And also let's pray from this one by Cebu by affected by this one in these calamities by Typhoon Tino. So hashtag Bangon Cebu. So we're here from this one in this analyze of these games. The title of this one is titled Tuesday Grand Prix 2025. So this is a last round by this one. So these are the title Tuesday in this one by in this chess tournaments here. So how many clocks within 5 minutes in this blitz chess here? So in this last round here, and also have a between from this grandmaster in Russia is Denis Lazabic. So Denis Lazabic was a strong master in this one in this chess players in this Russia. So I don't know what's the name of this one. So instead of war by Ukraine here, so I thought Ukraine versus Russia. I thought Russia from this country by this one. And also versus by Grandmaster in Mexico is Jose Martinez. So in this part of this videos here, we have analyzed of the standings after last round by title Tuesday. So white plays Lazabic is c4, e6 by Martinez, g3. So it means, so these are the main lines here by used by knight c3 or knight f3. So knight f3 here. So it means move by Lazabic g3. So it means without g3 by this pawns here. Without upcoming by light square by bishop g2 here. And also knight f6 by Martinez. Bishop g2 by next counters by knight f3 by before by castling. And also d5 without threats the pawns without counters attacks. And also knight f3, so it means without knight f3 by Lazabic by upcoming by castling. And also bishop e7 by Martinez, so without upcoming by castling. And also here by castling by Lazabic, castling by Martinez. And also pawn d4 without move by controls by solid move by Lazabic, and decided by this one capture this pawn. So what is called in this one? It is called by Catalans open defense classical lines here. So these are the codes by determinations here. And decided by Queen C2 by Lazabic without idea, without threatening eating pawns here. So threatening attacks by counters attacks. And also decided by pawn A6 by Martinez, or next move by B6 or B5, sorry. So next move by b5 here without defense the pawns. So I'm sorry, I got wrong notes here. So I thought next move by b5. And also a4 without no more by this one by b5 without move side by controls by solid move by pawns here. Or maybe without connecting by passed pawns. And also bishop d7 by Martinez, and decided this one by queen captured pawns, because these are the decided here. And also decided bishop c6 by Martinez, and also bishop g5 by Lazabic, knight bd7 without defense here, and also rook d1 without controls by determinations here, and also h6 without attacks the bishop, decided bishop captured, knight takes, and also knight bd2 without controls by without determinations, or next by maneuvers knight f1, next by knight e3. So these are the how controls by counters moves here. And also a5. Whoa, what the nice move by Martinez. So it means a5 by pawns here by connecting here. And also decided backwards queen d3 without no more by movement by pawns without need more backwards by queens by this one by Lazabic here. And also bishop b4 by Martinez, or ready by attacks by knights here. And also pawn e4. What the plans here, or next move by this one by e5 without attacks the knights, or maybe here by this one by d5 here, or without movements here. And also decided b6. So these are a no more book lines here. So these are a novelty by black pieces by Martinez. So these are the old main lines here by recording by this database is rook ac8, knight d7, and also queen e7 is a old main lines here. So it means fourth novelty b6, no more booklets by Martinez here. And also knight e5 by Lazabic without attacks the bishops here, or tempos attacks here. And also decided backwards bishop b7 by Martinez. And also knight dc4 without controls by attacks this strong move by Lazabic here. And also decided queen e7 by Martinez without defense here. And also decided queen e3 by Lazabic, or next counter strats here. So determinations by solid move by this one by continuous by this one by solutions here. And decided by rook fd8 by Martinez, or maybe without controls by this one by this movement by rooks here. And also decided rook ac1 by rook pairs here. And also rook ab8, and also knight d3 by Lazabic without threatening the bishops or counters attacks here. And also decided this one is rook bc8 without rook pairs here. And decided pawn b3, knight g4 without threats the queens or counters attacks this one by eating the queens. And decided queen e2, ignorance by this one by Lazabic without ignored by queens here. And also knight f6 by Martinez. And also knight f4, or maybe decided here. So what the plans here, or maybe move by this one by d5. I don't know what the moves here from this one by connecting or disconnect here, or determinations. And also decided knight d7 by Martinez. And also pawn e5, and decided without pawn e5 without threatening by light square attacks this one by diagonals, or maybe here by diagonals here. So these are the diagonals by without light square attacks here. It is called by light square attacks this one by bishop. And decided by Martinez is bishop captured, king takes, and also c6, or next move by this one by b5 without movement here by next move by maneuvers b5 by this one the solid move by discontinuous. And also decided queen e4 by Lazabic here, and push, good move by Martinez, or threatening the pawns or knights here. So these are the threats the pawns and threats the knights here, or maybe without counters attacks by tempos attacks. And decided by Lazabic is decided knight e3 here by this one by no need by capture this one, so need more backwards here. And also knight b8. So these are knight b8 by Martinez, so it means that's not one of this computer engine, so it means errors moves here by this one by orange square. So the one's computer decided capture this pawn, and decided captured. So captured here. So these are the good slightly betters by advantage from these whites here, or blacks here, or slightly betters from blacks here. So it means so back there this one is knight b8 by Martinez, and captured by error move. So it means disconnecting by pawns by captured. So it means so the one's computer is h4 pawns here. So h4 here. So it means these are connecting the pawns here. So etc etc. These are the slightly betters from whites here. So it means back there is captured this pawn, captured, and also rook takes accepted, takes, and also d5 without connecting by attacks this pawn, or threatening the pawns, or move by push this one by d6 or threats the queen. So how do you control? By connecting here, and also decided this one is queen b7 by Martinez. Here need more straight to the points by queens here, or determinations by continuous here by these solutions by solid move, and decided this one rook d4 by Lazabic without, or maybe without bishop attacks here. So how do you control? By movement by strong move by Lazabic, and also knight d7 by Martinez, or I don't know what the next moves here by this one. So it means knight d7, and also capture this pawn, and also queen takes accepted check. So wait, so I forgot something. So these are the captured this pawn. So these are the captured pawns, or maybe without queen to queen. So queen to queens here. So these are the without light square by queen to queen. So need more attacks this queen to queen. So it means d takes e6 and in accept by Martinez. Queen takes accepted check, rook takes, and also captured good move. So good move by Martinez here, and decided knight captured. So these are the controls here. So these are the minor pieces by this one double knights here. So two minor pieces by knights, and also this one bishop and knights here. So these are the controls by same here by two minor pieces by white pieces by two knights here. So let's continue knight captured, and also rook e8 by Martinez. So it means threats the knights, knight c7 without threatening the rooks or counters attacks, and counters the attacks these pawns here. And also decided rook captured good move. So rook captured. So these are the excellent move by Martinez, or without rook to rook. In accept, takes, knight takes, and also knight d3. So how do you do that here? So what the plans by Martinez, or maybe without idea by move by knight c5 or knight c1. So these are the threats the pawns here. And also decided this one is knight c2 by Lazabic without threats the bishop, bishop c5, or maybe without idea by threats the pawns. So these are the connecting by diagonals here by dark square here. So these are the knights without threats the pawns. So how do you control by this one by doubles here, or one connecting by dangerous the pass pawns here. And also decided this one by pawn f4 by Lazabic, and also g5 without counters attacks this pawn, captured, king f3, king must be active, and also knight e5 check, king e4 threatening the knights, and knight g4 without attacks this one by h2 pawns. So these are the connecting here. And also decided this one is king f5 here without threats the knights, and knight captured. So it means knight captured. So it means without one pieces done by this one by pawns here. So need more knight takes captured here, and king takes pawn. So it means, so these are the two pawns by Lazabic. So two pawns by Lazabic and one pawns by Martinez. So 2 versus 1 here. And decided by here by knight f1 here by Martinez, or without threats the pawns here by connecting attacks this one by this one, threats the pawns by this one by knights here. And also decided g4 by Lazabic, and also knight d2 without threats the pawns, and also defense knight bd4. Oh, without bishop. Without bishop, without attacks this one knights, because this one by movement by maneuver is knight d4. Without defense, this one the pawns here. And also decided by king to f7 without king must be active, king f5 without next move by king must be active, king e5 or king d5, or that's the bishop. So how do you control here by solid determinations here without solutions? And decided this one is bishop e7 by Martinez, and also knight e1. Oh, okay, without knight e1 by Lazabic, And also bishop c5 without threats the knights, defense knight ef3, and also decided knight f1. So these are a bad move by Jose Martinez. So it means, so that's not one of this one by this ignorance by knight f1. So the best move is knight takes captured. So knight takes captured and decided knight captured. So need more captured here. So no need by ignorance here. So it means these are the slightly betters from whites and blacks here. So slightly betters. So back there is knight f1 by Martinez, and also knight e5 check, and also king g6, king g8, sorry. So it means king g8, another bad move by Martinez. So I'm sorry I got wrong notes here. So it means king g8, another bad move. So the best moves is king to e7 is a right move by best move solutions here. So king e7 is a slightly better from blacks here. Slightly better. So I'm sorry I got wrong notes because I cannot concentrations very confused by this one. So need more focusing the read my this one by notes here. So back there is king g8. So I'm sorry I got wrong king g6, or the correct move is king g8. So king g8 is a bad move by Martinez, and also knight d6 or threats the pawns, or without threatening the pawns by this one attacks this one, and also knight d2 without threatening the pawns or without attacks here, and decided knight captured pawns without defense. So no more pawns here by Martinez here. So it means 2 pieces by this one by Lazabic. So because the 2 pieces here. So how many clocks within 1 minute and 8 seconds by Lazabic, and the time clocks by Martinez is 31 seconds. So it means dying seconds here. So let's continue knight captured, and also bishop b4 without threats the knights. Knight ac6 without attacks is eating the bishop. Bishop d6, and also pawn b4 almost thereby promotes this one without b8 queen. So it means wins for whites by Lazabic. And also knight f1 without idea by knight e3 or knight g3 without check by kings here. And also b5 almost there by pushes, or without push or promotes by b8 queen here. So it means almost here by this one by promotes the queens. And knight e3 check, king e6, bishop c7 without movement by bishop here by solid move here. And also knight e7 check, king h7, knight d5 attacks the bishop, knight capture takes, and also king h6. So it means these are the knights versus bishop. So knights by Lazabic and versus bad bishop by Martinez. So it means so knights versus bishops, or maybe by 2 pieces pawn by Lazabic. So it means so no more pawns by Martinez. So it means so 19 seconds by Martinez and 15 seconds by Lazabic, almost dying seconds here. So let's continue king h6, and also knight f3, and also king g6, king c6, and also bishop a5, pawn b6 without pawn b6, and bishop captured. Bishop captured? What? Sacrifice? Oh, sacrifice here. King takes, no more bishop by Martinez. So almost only here by kings, only by Martinez here. So it means, so how do you do that? 2 controls by movement the kings here. And king f6 by Martinez, king c5 by Lazabic, king e6, king d4, king f6, and also king e4, king g6, king f4, king g7, king f5, king f7, pawn g5, without idea by push by this one g6 without check, connecting here almost by this one that promotes by this one by queens here. and also king g7, and last shot g6 without, so cannot do it, so it means surrender by Grandmaster Jose Martinez. So why he surrender? Because if you move by this one by king f8, only move by Martinez, and also king f6. So if you move by king e8 and also push g7, and if you move by king d8 and without promotes by g8 queen check, so it means unstoppable by this one, so it means lose from blacks here, game over. So it means, so the winner, so the score by this one, Dennis Lazabic 95 points, and score by a currency by Jose Martinez 87.7. So it means win from this one, Dennis Lazabic here. So let's see this one, the final results after last round here by Title Tuesday. Let's see here. So the winner by championship, 9.5 points by Grandmaster Dennis Lazabic in Russia. Congratulations. So the second placer by 9 points by silver medals by Grandmaster Magnus Carlsen by Norway. And also third placer by 9 points by bronze medal by Grandmaster Jose Martinez. So it means Jose Martinez was a third placer by bronze medal. Congratulations by Jose Martinez. And 8.5 by 4 points. So 4 placer by Grandmaster Hikaru sorry. So Grandmaster Hikaru Nakamura. So I'm sorry, got wrong pronounced name. So Grandmaster Hikaru Nakamura, the wife of Altauza Porkashia from these Iranians or America. I'm sorry, got wrong by pronounced name. So 8.5 by 5th placer by Grandmaster in France is Jules Moussard. What's the name of this one? Jules or Jules? Jules Moussard. And 8.5 points by 6th placer by Grandmaster Fabiano Caruana, USA. And also 8.5 by Grandmaster Alexander Shimanov by Russia. And 8 points by Grandmaster Dmitry Andrakin in Russia. 8 points by Romania by International Master Felix Antonio Ilinka. And 8 points by Grandmaster Andrew Tang. And 8 points by Israel by Grandmaster Ningsan Steinberg. And 8 points by Vietnam by Grandmaster Tuan Minh Le. So Tuan Minh Le in the Vietnamese chess here. And number 30 placer by 8 points by Grandmaster in China, Hao Wenzhou. And also 7.5 by Uzbekistan by Grandmaster Jahongir Vakhidov. And also 7.5 by this one by Netherlands by Grandmaster Benjamin Book. And also 7.5 by Serbia. Oh, I don't know what's Serbia here. So Serbia, or maybe I don't know what's the country. So it means Grandmaster Antonio Demchenko, so old man's. And also 7.5 by Russia by International Master Polina Shovalova. And also 7.5 by Russia FIDE Master Sergei Siklokin. 7 points by Poland by Grandmaster Milos Sipar. And 7 points by India by Grandmaster Mitrabha Guha. And 7 points by Poland by International Master Kapper Drozdovki. And 7 points by Russia International Master Semen Novoskilov. And also 7 points by Greece by International Master Alexandros Papasimakopoulos. So it means 23 placer. And 7 points by Georgia by London by International Master Nodar Lokipanidze. So these are the Georgia or London. And also 25 placer by Azerbaijan by 7 points by Grandmaster Vasif Durarbaili. So etc, all of the above here. So it means, so congratulations by top 3 by this one, Dennis Lazabic, Magnus Carlsen, and Jose Martinez. Congratulations from this top 3 by Title Tuesday here. So I hope of this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Loagi 17. aka iCoolMark17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of these next chess updates. Bye bye.